bad, but I know I could do better.
You don't always have to be on top, you know. Don't stress too much.
No way. You just don't understand because you don't study at all.
Wow, nag-aaral kaya ako. I'm just enjoying my high school life. I don't stress unlike you.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Hindi ka pa rin talaga nagbabago, no? Puro ka pa rin talaga aral. Hindi ka man lang nag-lunch.
At ikaw rin naman, hindi ka pa rin nagbabago. Puro ka pa rin kalokohan since we were kids. Diyan math kaya next subject, ang hirap kaya nun, and besides, I'm not hungry.
Hay nako, Linnea. You're such a study addict.
Good morning, class. Settle down. Before we start our discussion for the day, let me introduce to you a new student in our class. Go on, Hiho. Introduce yourself.
Hello po, I'm Dom. I like math and I graduated as a valedictorian of my old school. I hope we get along.
Uy, Linnea, may kaagaw ka na ata. Looks like you're being challenged. Academic rival to lovers.
Uy, hindi grabe ka naman.
Uy, anong grabe? You guys are a match kaya. Look off, Dom equals domain, tapos Linnea equals linear. You know naman that domain is always complete for linear function. So, Dom will always be complete because of you. And for you naman, perfect match, di ba? Di ba, guys?
Ew! No way. Kabago-bago niya lang, no? Tsaka mas malaki pa yung chances na maging undefined functions sa buhay ko kaysa maging lover. Duh.
Ay sus, alam ko type mo, no? Kilala kita.
Hey Linnea. Sungit naman ito.
Ano ba? What's your problem?
Hey, calm down woman. I just wanted to be friends with you. Hindi ko nga alam kung lalapitan ba kita eh. Mukha namang ang sungit-sungit mo.
Wow. Kung ganyan lang sasabihin mo, umalis ka na lang. And, mabait ako, no?
Si Miss Sungit naman no. Itatanong ko lang naman if we can be a pair for our Janmat activity eh. Yung about sa linear functions. O diba katunog pa ng name mo? And no choice ka na rin since tayo na natitirang pair.
Whatever. No choice na ako eh.
Game. So gawa tayo ng dalawang problems. May solution din syempre.
Ano ba yung gagamitin natin na type of functions?
Yung piecewise and linear functions. Gets mo naman siguro yun, no?
Siyempre, ako pa. Tsk, easy na yan sa akin, no?
Ay, wow. Confident? Sige nga ako madali. Ikaw nga sumagot ng unang problem.
Ito, madali lang. The function c of x equals 2x shows how many candies Anna can eat after x minutes. How many candies did Anna eat after 5 minutes? C of 5 is equal to 2 times 5 equals 10 candies. Easy.
Easy ka dyan. O sige, to next.
Go.
Problem. A certain chocolate bar costs 40 pesos per piece. However, if you buy more than 5 pieces, they will mark down the price to 38 pesos per piece. Use a piecewise function to represent the cost in terms of the number of chocolate bars bought. Answer. C of x is equal to 40x if x is less than or equal to 5. 38x if x is greater than 5. C of x is equal to the total cost of the chocolate bars bought. X is equal to the number of chocolate bars bought. C. The price changes depending on the number of the chocolate bars bought. Just like how your mood changes every day.
Aba, rude. At least hindi ako boring, no? Pero fine. I get it now. Next time, ako na magtuturo. Baka mas matuto ka sa akin.
Wow! Okay, challenge accepted. Pero warning lang ha, baka mahulog ako sa lesson mo.
Ang corny mo. Pero sige na nga. 1 point para sa effort mo. Pero okay na, tapos na tayo. May bonus problem pa ba?
Gusto mo? Exponential function tayo.
Yung mabilis mag-grow? Parang chismis?
Parang feelings ko sa'yo. Lumalaki nang hindi ko namamalayan.
Ang corny mo!
Pauwi ka na, Linnea?
Obvious ba?
Ito talaga, di na nagbago. Maging mabait ka naman sa akin for once.
Bakit? Close kita?
Wow, parang walang pinagsamahan kanina. Ganyan ba palagi temperature ng ulo mo? Linear equation T of T is equal to 2T plus 25 yarn? Napakainit.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Bahala ka na nga dyan. Uuwi na ako. Ano ba? Sinusundan mo ba ako?
Assuming, dito rin kaya yung way ko pa uwi.
Maniwala.
Oo nga, sabay ka lang sa akin. Total wala ka namang payong eh.
Thanks, Dom. Dito na lang ako.
Bye, Miss Sungit. Ingat ka.
Ang OA. Papasok na lang ako.
Ingat ka pa rin. Baka madulas ka. Nia. I like you.
Huh?
I said, I like you, Linnea.
I like you too, Dom. Ever since that day.
So, you remember?